if the paint is worn off your buttons on your Saab or early 2000s GM vehicle, then I made a video about how you can very carefully hand paint or repaint these symbols back on with a dark satin finish paint. This is not quite black, by the way. It's just a little bit brighter than that. But that can be really intimidating for some people. So just recently, I've kept my eye out for this. There are kits, sticker kits, that you can purchase on eBay now that are a soft, nearly black finish sticker that is the exact same symbol as what you have here on your climate control. And basically you want to remove the remaining black paint that's on these buttons so that the white, the translucent white button is exposed and the light shines through. And these sticker sets are the same finish, the same shape, and they actually have transparent symbols just like this. So you remove the remaining black paint, and then you just apply this sticker or decal right over the surface of the button, and it restores the symbology on these buttons. And it, of course, it can look a whole lot better than trying to do it by hand. But go on eBay and you can actually find these sticker sets. They're now available for some Saab models. They weren't available for a long time, but as of early 2019, you can now find these sticker sets. But hopefully they'll have directions. But I've used them on a Ford vehicle before, and they worked really well. Just make sure you do your prep. Make sure those buttons are nice and smooth. Any leftover paint will cause bubbling in the sticker. But you can also use sticker sets that mimic these button symbols. Hope this helps you guys out.